Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So now in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your database to your project. So I'm using the Angular framework here. That is, I'm building my whole project, my whole website using this Angular framework. So Angular is very easy, very convenient, and very useful actually for developing our project, for building our application and all. So I'm using this Angular. So now first let us not look about this Angular because Angular is totally the front end part. So now in this video we are not going to concentrate on this Angular itself. We are just going to see about this back end part, like how to connect your database. You can use your database like MySQL or MongoDB as well, and PostgreSQL or anything, Firebase. Those are all databases you can use. But in this video, I am going to use the MySQL database. This whole project, I'm going to use MySQL database. So, like, I'll show you how to connect your MySQL database to your server, that is to your backend part of your project. So let us see. But I'm using Angular for my front end development. So first, I'm going to create a new file here. So I'll give the name as I'll just give the name as backend MySQL. Enter. Now just press Command Enter. You'll open this command prompt here, and then just give the in command as npm init, so that you'll install all the basic packages, basic dependencies in your project now. So it is asking, it will ask some of the questions here, like package name. You can just select this because that is the project which you have named here. And then version, that's okay. Description, you can give your description here. I'll give it as I'm basically doing the CRUD operation because for any of the project you need, you need to add data, delete data, and update the data. So those are the basic operation for any of the project, I feel. So in this project, I'm going to show you how to do such things using your backend part, using your server, and using the Postman as well. So yeah, so I'm giving the description as CRUD operation using Express.js, Node.js, Angular, and MySQL. Okay, I'm using Express, Node.js, and Angular as well. Apart from this, we are going to use the cores, body parser, and MySQL 2 as well. So let us see. I'm using the NP part as index.js. Git repository, I'm not giving any Git repository because I'm not using anything now. And author, you can give your name or you can give any of the author's name here, and license. So that's it. So these are what the code, like what I've answered till now. So this is over. So I'll just give it as S and press enter. Then I'll just open this in my Visual Studio Code. I'm using the Visual Studio Code here as the IDE, and see, here you can see this package.json file has got installed first, and you can see the same code which you have answered before. So the same thing came here. So that is the thing here. In this package.json file you will have all these informations, and it will also contain all the versions of the dependencies which you install now. So I'll show you. So for this project, for this project, you need some dependencies, you need to install some dependencies. In that, the main part is Node.js. Without Node.js, you can't even run that npm command itself. So I'll just show you how to install that Node.js because I already have in my system, so I'm not going to install this now. Just go to Node.js downloads. Here you will have the many operating system. You can use anything, and you can use for 64-bit. You can download for 64-bit or 32-bit if you have. And then yeah, if you install, you'll just get it. So this is very easy to install. So don't worry. If you just click it, you will get it. But I'm not installing now because I already have that in my system. So that is what. And then Then now what I'm going to install is that I'll first install the body parser. Body parser is also very important, so don't skip this. Just go to npm body parser, just Google for it, and then you'll have it here. You'll have the command to install this npm install body parser. Yeah, you just need to copy the command and go to your terminal. Just paste there, but for me the paste part is not working in my terminal, so I'll just type it npm install body parser. See, you will have the dependencies, you will have the name, and you will have the version also. In this package.json file, you will have all the versions of the dependencies which you install. And then see, as soon as you install this body parser or anything, if you start installing, you will just get this node modules folder here. So it will have all the other data, other backend data. You will have everything here, and this package lock JSON also you will have. So it will have just the package's name and the version and all. So this is also very informative actually. Yeah. So now we want to install the other part, that is we'll install cores now. Cores. You may feel this body parser and cores are not useful right now in your project, but please don't neglect these. You better install this in the first starting part of your project itself, because if you neglect this and if you feel like these are not important for the project, and later on if you're continuing with your project, you will definitely get some errors. So please install this, and actually they are more important in your project. I'll tell you the importance of them when we move into the project. So please install this. For now, let us just install this, and then we'll get to know the importance of that. So you have to install using this command npm install course. I'm showing this in the Google because so that you'll go copy and paste, and the installation part will be easy for you. So you no need to type there. Yeah, we have installed the course now. Now we have to install Express part. Express. Yeah, see, npm install Express. En- npm install Express. You'll get it. And we have installed body parser, course, Express, and last but not the least, obviously you need MySQL. So you need to install that as well. So now instead of this Express, just give MySQL 2. I'm using this MySQL 2. So don't mistake, that's also a good thing here, like a good dependency. It is very easy to use as well. So I'm using this MySQL 2 in my project now. So the installation command is npm install MySQL 2. So I'll go, the Express has been installed. I'll give the command as npm install MySQL 2. Enter. Yes, now all our dependencies got installed here. We got to know all these versions as well, and then next we need to move on into our project. If you want to move into your project, you need to create a file, because you need to write a code and all, right? So obviously you need to create a file. So I'll just name it as index.js. You can give any name as you wish. You can just give it as backend.js, because this is the backend part, or you can give it as server.js, because we are using the server and we are connecting that to the postman, and then again to the database. So you can give it as server.js, any name as you wish you can give. So I'm using this index because this is the starting point of our project. So that's it. There is no anything more flashback for this name and all. So yes. So now in this file, in this index.js, what you have to do firstly is that you have installed all dependencies here. Now you need to mention all these dependencies here in your index file, because you're writing your whole code in this file itself. So you need to like you need to use those dependencies here. So for that, what you have to do is that Actually, you'll have the 4 to 5 lines of code here, but don't worry, don't no need to buy hat or don't need no need to get tensed about that. It's very simple. Let us go with this MySQL itself. In this MySQL, see, you have installed this, right? If you just go a little bit down, you'll just get this line. Get the client for the below this get the client line. You will have this command. Just copy this. Go to your index file. Paste this. That's it. Then we have done with it MySQL. We have to install Express. Simple. I'll just again go to this. Instead of this, I'll use Express. Enter. Go to Express. Yes, we have installed this already, so no need to again do that. Let's wait. Or you can refresh the page. Yes, where did it go? Yeah, you got it. See, you need to install these both. There's both lines you have to install. Just copy. Let's go to index below this. Get this. And then after express course. So let's use course. There's no any order for this. Like after this, you have to use that. After express, you have to use course itself. There's no any order for this. Just randomly, I'm just installing this. Yeah. Now you want this course. Actually, you want this line and this line as well. So first, let us copy this P and paste this. Yes, but to make sure you'll have all and the const form itself. The variable is not needed now, so we don't want that, and we want to copy this line also. So copy and paste below this. Let us keep this app part and all separately and the other dependencies separately. So let's not get confused here. So after course and after everything, body parser is left. So let us install that as well. Like let us copy the commands from this as well. Oh, you have installed this, so no need to again install. Just come down, copy this, go to your code, paste this here, and make this as const. Yes. Now look for the app part if you have in this body parser. Okay, you don't have any command for the app thing, right? Okay, no problem. Let us just copy from this itself. So that's not any huge problem here. Don't forget the semicolons. Yes. Now we have to give app dot use because you're using body parser Don't forget this JSON thing. JSON is very important in our backend part. So don't forget. Yes, that done with all the dependencies we are used, all these dependencies here. So as I said, you no need to like by had these lines or you no need to get very much tensed about these lines. You just go to that npm. You just Google npm cores, npm express, and all. You'll get these codes there itself. You just copy and paste it here. Yes. And then now what you have to do is that you have to connect to the server. So let us connect our backend part to the server. It's very simple. App dot listen 3000. I'm giving my port number for the server. I'm giving the port number as 3000. If your 3000 port is already in use, you can use the other port numbers also. No, there's no issue there. And I'm going to check this whether it is connected or not. So I'm going to use this console.log. Server is running on port 3000. Okay. Yes. But make sure when you are writing a huge codes also, please make sure of following this step. That is, you give this console.log everywhere, like wherever you feel, so that you won't get more errors there. You can have the you can you'll get to know like where is the error, at which part the error is. So don't forget to use this console.log. It is very important. If you are using for the small codes for the small project, you don't feel it as much important. But if you are using for the big project, then this console log is very important, because you'll feel very confused, like where is the error, what is happening. If you just use this console log, you'll just get to know like where is the error and which part is missing and all. So that is very easy. Now I've just given the command for connecting the server to the backend part. I just run this. Let us run this now. For running, we have to use the command as node index.js, because we have to give it as node, because we are running the server part or backend part using the node.js, the node part. So I'm using this node command. And the index.js, I'm running this file, index.js file, because we have given the command here, we have given our code here, so obviously we have to run that file itself. So I'm giving this index.js. That's it, enter. See, server is running on the port 3000. So we got this. If you get this, then the server is connected to the backend is connected to the server. So you no need to worry. You got the output here. So for that, you just need to go here and then type it as localhost 3000. It's error. Okay, my 3000 port is already in some of my React project. So I'll just change the port number to 3004. That's okay. You can give any number as you wish. So yes, you have to again run the project. Every time running the project again and again, that would be more clumsy, right? So let us do one thing. Let us install the other thing. npm install nodemon mon. So that if you use this, you no need to again run your project every time you make any changes. There is no need to run your project again and again. It will only like catch your changes, and it will just run your project automatically. So now you got installed that nodemon. You just need to have the command as nodemon index.js. Yes, now it will work. See, server is running on port 3004. So I'll just 3004 enter. Yeah, obviously you'll not get anything here because we have not given anything. You're just connecting it to your server, that's it. So don't worry, you'll get the error, no problem. So now your backend is connected to the server, so that's happy. Yeah. Now next part is that you have to connect to your database. So that is the important part here. So for that, I'm using the MySQL part, as I said. So what I'll do is that I'll just create a database here, like create a schema here, and just give it as demo one. Yeah, apply. Yes, apply. Finish. See, I got my database here. Yes, I got my database created here. Uh, Now you just create a database for now. Then let us further work in that. So now what I'll do is that I'll just go to this, and I'll go to MySQL part, MySQL 2, and copy some of more commands here. Yes, for connection, you want all these things. Copy this. Like, I'll paste it here. Okay. So host is this, user is root, and database is what I have given the database name as demo1. So I'll write it as demo1. and you have to give your password as well. Pass. Yeah, password is done. So now everything, the port number as well. Port is 3306. So I'll show you where you will get the port number. When you open your workbench, see here it would be mentioned 3306 localhost 3306. So that is the port number of this SQL part. So you have to give the port number, and then here I'll just give it as DB database. Okay. Yes. Now what you have to do is that you have given all the names here, like you have given your database name, your password, and all. So now what you have to do is that just come down and then you have to connect now. Now this is the actual connect part. Just give it as db dot connect, and if you have some error, you need to check, right, whether it is connected or not. So I'll just give if error. If you have some error, you'll get the output as console.log. See, I'm using console log everywhere because you need to be very, very careful about this so that you'll get to know like where your error is. You can just easily find out. So that is the use of this console log. So db connect. Okay. If my database is connected, like if it is not connected, if I'm getting some error, I'll show it will show as error in this output part. So if I don't get any error, like if it is connected, what I'll get is that I'll get it as the database connected successfully. Yes, this is what the output I'll get. See, database connected successfully. Wow. As soon as I gave this command, I got the output. So that is the use of that nodemon. Sorry. Yeah. Yes. So my database is connected successfully. So no need to worry now. Then our database is connected. We gave all these things here. See, these things are very important. That is, these details are very important. See, for example, you take this route and you just wait. See, it will show you an error. It is giving this error because this is the error. Like, or else if I just give it as error comma error connecting the yes, then see, you'll get the error and you'll get error connecting the database, and you will also get this database connected successfully because you have not given any other if statement or else if statement here, so that you will get this command also. So don't worry, just look at the error here. So it is asking error access denied. So it is asking for something, access denied for user at localhost. So that is what they think. You have to give your user your details, everything, your database name, your password, and your port number also. You have to give this very clearly so that it will get connected easily. Yes, now our database is connected successfully, so no need to worry now, it is got connected. So this is actually the first part of our project. Our database got connected successfully. So in our next video, I'm going to show you like how to connect the server to the Postman. How to use the Postman. Like Postman is actually the middleware between your server and your database. That is your MySQL and all. So that is very very important. The Postman is very important and very useful for your project. So don't miss that. And using the postman you can add your data to your database, delete your data, update your data, and you can get the all the details, like all the data in your database also. So that is very important. In my next video I'll show you how to get the details and all. So like Don't waste your time, just practice all these things. If you practice, you'll get it. I've showed you like the simple ways how to just no need to even buy at these codes, these lines and all. You just need to copy and paste it here, that's it. It's very simple. Okay, and this connection part is also very simple. I'll just give the command here, database connection. Yes, see, that is very simple. So that I think you have understood this video. This video is very helpful to you, I guess. And please don't miss my next video also. If you want my next video, please comment me in the below, and then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video, and you can share this video to your friends also, then they'll also feel more interested in this video. So in my next video I'll show you like how to put, how to delete, how to get your data as well. So thank you for this video. Thank you.